So we're on the minibus now then, kids. You all excited for your boat trip?
No.
Yes. What fishies are you going to see, Dex?
Puffy fish.
Loads.
You're going to see stingrays, sharks, puffer fish.
Dory fish, Nemo fish. Lots of fish. Are you going in?
Probably not.
Why not? Are you scared?
No.
Yeah, he's a pussy.
Are you going in?
Yeah, of course.
Are you going in?
Yeah. Yes, always a pussy.
Can't say that. Are you going in?
Yeah. Got my snorkel.
Nice. Nicely prepared. I'm not too excited at this situation. As I've already said, I had Egypt belly. I've been to the toilet about 4 times. I'm praying there's a toilet on the boat because otherwise I could be in trouble. If obviously I get boat sick as well, the plan is I'm going to jump in and do some snorkeling, which I wasn't planning to do, but obviously it's the lesser 2 evils, isn't it? You're either in the sea or you're on the boat, so I don't know how I'm going to be yet. We're going to wait and see. So we're just waiting for the boys to fetch our packed lunches. They're running a little bit late with those, so we've actually come over to the other hotel to be picked up, and they're still waiting to come. Emilia, how are you going to be? You'll get seasick, don't you?
Yeah. The first time I went on the boat, I got seasick, so I probably will get seasick straight away.
Nah, I reckon it's mind over matter. Yeah, we've got to think ourselves that we're absolutely fine the whole time we're on the boat, and we should be fine. Should we try that?
Yeah.
Me and you?
Oh, they're here.
Boosh.
I've got a few more.
Here they are.
We're
Bringing all the grub.
on the bus. We got our pack lunch.
Rowdy bus.
Yeah. So we got a bottle of water.
Bottle of water.
You got an apple, a peach, and orange juice.
Nice. Soup.
You got cucumber, tomatoes, and maybe olives.
Right.
And then you've got
Some rolls.
yeah. There's another set of 2 rolls in this. There's 4 rolls each.
That's quite a nice sized packed lunch then.
That's a very good sized pack lunch,
How many of
really.
those did you bring?
10.
Oh, so 10 of them.
Everyone's got 1 each.
Oh my god.
So no one's going hungry today.
Oh, I'm glad I bought the Egyptian Lays as well, because you know we all love a crisp.
Crispy.
Nice. So this journey now is about 20 minutes. Try not to be sick, everyone. Hold on. There's no seat belts in Egypt.
No, there's not.
So, guys, hold on for your life because there's no seat belts. You need to be sensible. Don't hang out any windows because you will literally get sucked out. Okay? Enjoy. So as well as our packed lunches, the guys just run off the bus and come back with this massive watermelon, loads of peaches, loads of apples. So I don't think we're going hungry today somehow. Wasn't me.
You caught me on camera.
Wasn't me. We've landed. Just getting hold of the packed lunches. Got to get everyone out. This is the marina. Looks really pretty. The guys were telling us this is where the rich live, basically. On the way down, they've got like loads of new hotels being built. So it was a bit mad driving through what effectively looked like a building site. But now we're here, it looks absolutely amazing.
Is your packed lunch?
Packed lunch
I'm just
for the
sorting
day.
them out a minute.
Yeah, we've got a big box of flippers and snorkels. You excited for your snorkeling experience, love?
Yeah, I think it's going to be interesting, snorkeling in the Red Sea. Based on what I saw at the end of the pier, which was in like a couple of feet of water, this should be good.
Yeah, I reckon it's going to be pretty special, to be honest.
And it's a hot day.
It's a very hot day. It's very pretty.
That's a nice looking beach, love.
Yeah, so you know what I was telling you last night?
Yeah.
That's kind of what you could have expected.
Yeah, yeah. That's definitely a nice looking beach. Cloud water.
Yeah.
Aqua.
That's what I was trying to say yesterday.
Yeah,
wow, look at them boats.
Oh, small yacht.
Yeah, some of them are stunning.
So I'm just going to show you this view because it's absolutely beautiful. Them boats. Look at the water and the beach, it's absolutely stunning. Lovely. So this area is all completely purpose built. We've had to come through some like security gates to get here. The atmosphere is really relaxed and chilled, and to see the beaches like crystal clear, what an absolute treat. This is what I imagined, to be honest, and this place is incredible. Cannot wait now to see the boat. We spent €220. We've got a private boat for 4 hours. We're going to stop off on an island that's supposed to be comparable to the Maldives, so I can't wait to see that. We've also got some snorkeling. So Stu's, I did scare him last night. I told him he was going to have sharks in there, because when I went to Sharm a few years back, we went diving, there were sharks in there, but it was fine, they weren't massive ones. So he's proper freaked now. He'll be absolutely fine, he's going to love it. He had a collection of marine fish in the living room for a couple of years, so to actually be down there snorkeling and diving with him, he's going to find that incredible. Can't wait to see his face actually. I thought we were going on the Queen Victoria, a nice white glamorous yacht. I mean, it's the fair size, you know, I'll give it credit where credit's due. This is our boat. Now I've got to try not to fall in. Oh my god, do you want me to walk on that plank?
Hello.
I haven't got that sense of balance to do that.
You help it up there, I'll help it down here. Give me a hand. Okay. There you go.
Good lad. Right, do you want me at the other side?
I can't reach, love. Don't pass me the bag.
Sorry. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh.
You're alright.
You didn't think you'd be walking plank today, did you?
No, I did not. That was nuts. Now take your shoes off and put them on the side, is it?
Yeah, you want to off your stairs.
No problem.
Thank you.
Wow, guys. This is so nice. Wow. This is nice. Cool. Chilling already.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, it's going to be hot, love. It's in the sun.
Okay. Today we go to stop snorkel. Okay. First one, this for crawl and fish. You see fish swim. Okay. And second one, this like a small island.
Yes.
We go sit and swim. If you want, take picture like this. Okay.
How cool are these bean bags?
Yeah, they're epic. You comfy, love?
Super comfy, and you've also got sun loungers at the back if you want to go sunbathing. That's cool.
So the captain and his crew have just come up to tell us all the do's and don'ts basically on the boat this morning, and they've said there's a toilet, so literally the sigh of relief that I just had was unreal. I'm feeling better actually. I've taken some tablets to help with my stomach, and the sea is lovely and calm. There is a little bit of a rock, but it's nothing that I can't handle at the moment. So far so good, and this boat is absolutely beautiful, so I'm glad I came now actually. I was a little bit nervous this morning. I was thinking, is it worth coming? Is it, you know, there's a bit of a risk of me not being very well and stuff, but yeah, I'm alright at the minute. So the guy's just gone downstairs now. He's just gone to get us a round of drinks. There's a little mini bar on here. He said it's like Sprites, Coke, soft drinks, teas, coffees, that kind of thing. So yeah, I've just ordered a Sprite. Stu's just ordered Fanta. It's boiling already. I think we're going to need factor 50 on you. It's absolutely baking. Stu reckons something to do with the rays hitting the sea bounces back at you, so you're more likely to burn. Emilia's on the dolphin watch.
She's on the shark watch.
Dolphin and shark watches it, girls. To be fair, if you see any, you're not going to miss them. This sea is so clear, and obviously the colour of sharks and dolphins will really stand out with this water.
Yeah,
look at it. Look how beautiful that is.
And I think it's going to be a dolphin because they come up and down the water.
Yeah, careful.
Yeah, and often dolphins swim in packs. There's a jellyfish! Jellyfish! The purple ones, be careful! You will have to pee on each other if you get stung.
Oh, don't start. I picked one up.
There's purple jellyfishes.
You hold on tight, please.
Love, this seems to be the place where everyone comes to snorkel.
Yeah, it looks absolutely stunning.
So you're going to jump off the bottom just there and go and see the fishies. Oh, look at him, he's all ready, he looks absolutely wicked.
Yeah, we see more fish.
You see loads. You'll see loads down there, Mel. Well then, Dex, get in, bud.
Let's go start.
That was absolutely amazing. Went down, saw the coral, saw some amazing fish. Some of them were absolutely massive. What a lovely, lovely day for it. It's been absolutely amazing. Although on the way back, I ended up having to grab on to like the anchor to get back because I'd swam and I'd hit coral and there was nowhere else for me to go. So I've had to use my foot to like get myself back into the water. It was really strange. But what an experience. If you can, come out to the Red Sea, get diving with these marine fish and have a wonderful time. Absolutely amazing. What do you think, love?
I went to there.
That was
Shark, like shark, and the movie back like this.
yeah, that was awesome. Let me give you the camera. I'm gonna go do a little dive here.
Hey,
And I've also got you a present.
okay.
Cute. Clams.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Really, he dolphin in the water.
He's dolphin in the
Yeah,
water.
he's dolphin really.
He's got his flippers on though. He's an advantage.
Have flippers.
I would try it.
Do you think we
Right, ready?
both of us can dive?
Charlie,
One at a time.
ready?
Yeah.
My turn
1,
now.
2,
Goodbye, Mark.
3,
Go, Freddie.
4.
Go on, Emilia.
Come on, Emilia.
Go on, Dad.
Just sees any kid, yeah. Captain.
Well, wow, what a day out that was. That was absolutely brilliant. The guys on the boat were second to none. This was our main guide.
Hello guides, how are you? Ready? This yeah, guides, good, ready, good.
To be
I'm sorry
fair,
for speaking.
he was a phenomenal guide. He was really, really good.
Yeah, thank you.
Played with the kids, thrown them in the water, took us all to the corals, just general swimming with us. Absolutely banging.
Thank you, my
If you're
friend.
ever in Egypt, Hurghada, check these guys out.
Yeah.
Come out for a boat trip if you can, because they were fantastic.
They've given me a card.
Blue waves. Hello, moment.
Blue waves.
Yeah, and the snorkeling, Moo. Name Moo. Okay, guys.
To be fair, he was really, really good when he was
No,
kids.
he really, really was.
The kids were being thrown off the balcony. He took us all out. We were a bit nervous with the snorkeling, and he took us out with a rubber ring type thing and dragged us about and showed us everywhere good to go.
Yeah.
And he couldn't have looked after us better, could he?
No, there was a bit of deep diving, a bit of coral reef exploring, like the amount of fish were beautiful.
I'm not gonna lie, that's made the holiday for us.
It has, yeah. And where this marina is, there's a lot of building. You can see there's a couple of new resorts being done just per year, and then you got the ones here that are finished. So a particularly nice area. It was all securitied at the front, so there's something like 8 resorts along here, but you got to go through security because it's all private land. So
How the other half live.
I know, isn't it beautiful?
Yeah, it's
Really
stunning.
good day. And did you get seasick?
No, I didn't get seasick. So even though I've had Egyptian tummy, I thought, oh gosh, it's going to be 10 times worse than normal.
Yeah.
I was fine. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Yeah,
And it was
good.
nice actually to enjoy the experience, take photos, be silly with everyone, jump in
Yeah.
and do everything without just feeling awful.
And the boat was a lot bigger than what we thought, because you had the top deck where they had all bean bags laid out. Then you had like an inside lounge area with nice cushions, and then you had an outside seating area. So it was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, we didn't even have time to eat really, did we? We just picked.
Yeah.
We just had so much fun. It was good.
Yeah, and what was nice was we only went to 2 sort of spots. The first spot was where we went diving or snorkeling, and then the second spot was just where it was nice and shallow, but everyone could swim and play.
So I likened that little island like the Maldives, so that's what you could expect if you were to go, they reckon, and I could absolutely see why. It was stunning, crystal clear.
Yeah, it was.
You could see the coral without even getting into the water.
Yeah. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Great day out. On that note, love.
Yeah, we're gonna go, aren't we?
Yeah, so we hope you enjoyed it. A little day out with us, but until next time, guys.
We'll see you in a bit.
Ta-ra, guys.